好啦，咁啊第三條問到森林嗰啲樹係乜嘢啦？咁我哋見到我下邊擺咗兩嚿嘢嘅，OK？咁我驚有啲人揀 C 啊，因為 OK？咁佢的確係 land 嚟嘅，咁原因係因為 natural resources 就唔係因為佢 geographically immobile 啦，OK？咁啊第一，我哋成日都話咧呢一課嘅嘢咧，我哋揀嗰啲咩 because 嗰啲咧 ，because 後邊一定要 match 佢 definition 嘅。OK，所以就算你唔知道呢個 land 係咪 geographically immobile 都好咧，你都唔會揀 C 嘅。咁呢個係一個 tips 啦。咁其次其實 land 咧係 geographically mobile，佢只係 less mobile，但係佢唔係完全 immobile。OK，咁呢啲過往 CE 都成日問嘅啦。OK，咁啊 land less geographically mobile 定 capital 係啱嘅，但係你唔可以話佢 immobile。OK，例如呢個嘅07年呢個咧，你見到 boy 咧係唔啱嘅。ocean 係 land，但係唔可以話佢 geographically immobile， 同埋佢都唔 match 佢 definition 啦。咁但係呢度即係有一個 learning point 就係你其實 land 咧佢都係 geographically mobile 嘅，只係 less mobile 啫。有冇例子啊？有亞馬遜森林河嗰條鱷魚係咪識喐噶嘛？咁咪 geographically mobile 咯。但係你要留意佢喐喎，要佢自己喐，你唔可以捉走佢運去香港係咪？你一捉走佢運去香港，呢個就係 involve 呢個 human efforts 嘅。OK， 咁呢個就係變咗 capital 嘅。OK。咁啊，即係變咗做 man-made resource，因為你有一個 human effort in 個 production 嚇，咁變咗 man-made resource 佢就變咗 capital。OK， 剩翻 option 啦。咁啊 A 就話 economic good if people are willing to spend money to preserve the trees 啦。咁啊啱嘅係咪？如果你係願意付出一啲成本係咪？咁即係有 put cost in production 啦，有用 cost in production， 佢就一定係 economic good， 呢個係 definition 嚟嘅。OK， 不過如果話 free good。Because 冇 production cost 呢個要好小心 ，OK？ 呢個都係要好小心。雖然我話有 cost in production 就一定係 economic good， 但係冇 production cost 唔一定代表佢係 free good 嚟嘅 ，OK？Free good 你係要 more of it is not preferred。OK， 就算佢係一個 natural resource in which 佢真係冇 production cost 咧，佢都可以係 scarce 嘅，佢嘅資源都可以唔夠嘅。煤礦係咪唔夠啊？而家即係咁話要太陽能發電、風力發電，點解？因為冇煤礦啊嘛，就係人係冇電用啦嘛，咁你就要即係冇晒煤礦、冇晒啲 resources 咁你就要即係揾第二個方法嚟發電咯。咁呢啲煤礦係咪 free good 啊？唔係啊。咁但係煤礦係冇 production cost 嘅喎，係咪喺個地底嗰度自然生成嘅噃？係咪由化石去生成嘅噃？咁佢都係 economic good 㗎，係咪？因為 more of it is preferred 㗎嘛，係咪？咁所以 boy 係錯嘅。佢就話 public good if it is managed by government。CE 係咁樣問 ，DSE 係咁樣問，見過無數咁多次啊。public good 同 government 係一啲關係都冇，係咪？如果有人仲喺度揀 dot 咧，唔該翻去 Y 溫書同埋做個 past paper 啦。OK，public good 嘅意思係 non-rival and non-excludable in consumption， 呢個同 government 一啲關係都冇。OK， 我攞 non-rival in consumption 做一個講法，係咪？就係代表我用緊，你都可以一齊用嘅，係咪？咁譬如我有支筆，我用緊你就用唔到啦，咁呢個就唔係 public good 啦。睇出邊個煙花表演，維港煙花表演係咪？我睇緊，我喺屋企望出窗外，沿途望出窗外係咪？望到個即係煙花係咪？你都望到個煙花，我望到個煙花唔會令到你望唔到個煙花啊嘛係咪？咁呢啲咪 public good 嘅例子咯。OK， 簡單嘢嚟嘅。